In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage your money with Notion using a ready-made template that makes tracking your income, expenses, savings, and financial habits incredibly simple. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to organize your finances, or you've tried spreadsheets and they just didn't stick, this method inside Notion can completely change the way you look at money. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean financial dashboard that you can customize and use every single day. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Notion and productivity tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Notion and head to your workspace. From here, go to the sidebar and click on New Page. This is where your money management system will live. You can name this page something like Money Management or Personal Finance so it's easy to find later. Once the new page opens, look at the top of the page and click on Templates. Notion has a huge template gallery, and this is where we'll find a pre-built setup that saves us a lot of time. Inside the template gallery, search for Money Management or scroll until you find a finance-related template. When you find the Money Management template, click on Add. This will instantly copy the full template into your workspace so you can edit and customize it. Now that the template is added, you'll see highlighted sections and prompts inside the page. Click into the highlighted text and type directly to customize it for your own situation. This is where you make the system personal instead of generic. Next, let's look at the income section. Click into the income area and start adding your sources of income, like salary, freelance work, side projects, or any other money coming in. You can usually add amounts, dates, and notes so you know exactly where your money is coming from. After that, move on to the expense section. This is one of the most important parts of managing your money. Add your regular expenses, like rent, utilities, subscriptions, food, and transportation. You can also add categories so you can quickly see where most of your money is going each month. Now scroll down to the savings section. Here you can track how much you're setting aside for savings goals, like an emergency fund, travel, or investments. Keeping savings visible inside Notion makes it much easier to stay consistent and motivated. Next, go to the Finance Overview section. This usually gives you a high-level look at your financial situation, combining income, expenses, and savings in one place. Take a moment to review this so you understand how everything connects. Then click on the Resources section. This area is perfect for storing helpful links, financial tools, learning materials, or reminders related to money management. Finally, head to the Habits section. This is where you can track daily or weekly financial habits, like no-spend days, budgeting check-ins, or reviewing expenses. Building good habits is just as important as tracking numbers. Once everything is set up, spend a few minutes customizing colors, icons, and layouts so it feels motivating to use. The more you enjoy opening this page, the more likely you are to stick with it. And that's it. You now have a complete money management system inside Notion that helps you stay organized, aware, and in control of your finances. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tutorials and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.